Good news, the 3D printed Minecraft Lighthouse is done. However, we ran into a bit of a snafu. See, it's different creating stuff in Minecraft than it is in the real world. The problem is when I first designed this, I didn't exactly design this to be structurally secure or stable. So if you look at this ledge here, this next wall is basically free floating. Same thing with this wall, it's free floating. So when you go to print it, it's almost impossible because this is floating midair, hence the supports. For the same reason, the center staircase didn't print so well, and as I was breaking supports away, the stairwells were breaking. However, it did capture a lot of detail, like the stairs and even the torches, even inside where there was a ton of redstone in here. You can see all the torches going up the sides. Here's that center staircase that didn't print too well. And on here, you can even see, again, the torches on the sides. Here's the stairwell with more torches on there. So, proven concept, it works. However, if this was if this was designed a little more structurally safe, this would have came out a lot better. So I know this now for future designs. And again, this is one of my first designs, as probably took a lot more liberties than I would have nowadays. So I'm hoping some of my other stuff prints a lot better. Kind of like that pyramid. And this lower area down here, this is where I cut it in half. You can see the shaft to go down, the support pillar with more torches, and this bit right here is half of a nether portal. That's this right here. Pretty cool. So unfortunately, while this has become a bit of a failure, I learned a lot knowing how to properly design things in Minecraft to be more structurally safe, so that way stuff actually prints and not has weird free-floating walls like this one here. So now I just got to figure out, am I going to print some of the newer stuff that I have? Hopefully it's a little more structurally sound, or just build something fresh. We'll see.